Hi friends, I am Devika S from S4 Civil SNIT Adu. Today I am going to discuss about the topic from Fluid Mechanics Module 1. Today's topic is force exerted by a jet on a moving plate. Okay, there are three cases out of which we are discussing the first one. Flat vertical plate moving in the direction of jet and away from the jet. So, this is a flat plate on which a jet is moving with a velocity v and striking the plate. So, in this particular case, jet is not striking the plate with a velocity v because v is the absolute velocity of the jet. But you have this plate with moving with the direction with velocity u. So, you will have a relative motion between the jet and the plate. Okay. So, V here means velocity of jet or the absolute velocity. Okay. And V minus U here means the velocity of jet with respect to the plate. Okay. Mass of water striking the plate per second is equal to density into area of jet into velocity with which jet strikes the plate. That is mass per second is equal to density into A into V minus U. Here V minus U is the velocity of jet with respect to the plate. Okay. Therefore, force exerted by the jet on the moving plate in the direction of the jet, that is Fx is equal to mass per second into initial velocity in which water strikes minus final velocity, that is Fx is equal to density into area into V minus U into V minus U minus 0. 0 is the final velocity. Therefore, we can write it as Fx is equal to rho A into V minus U the whole square. Okay, so in this case, work will be done by the jet on the plate as plate is moving. For the stationary plate, work done is 0. Okay, work done per second by the jet on the plate is equal to force into distance in the direction of force by time. Work done is equal to Fx into U. Work done is equal to rho A into V minus U the whole square into U. Okay. A note is given, that is efficiency of the jet is equal to output of the jet by input of the jet is equal to work done per second by kinetic energy of jet per second. Therefore, the final equation is equal to efficiency is equal to Fx into U by half rho A VQ. Another one, power of the jet in kilowatt is equal to work done per second by 1000. Therefore, we write it as power is equal to Fx into U by 1000. Now, we are going to discuss a problem. Okay. 1. A jet of water of diameter 10 cm strikes a flat plate normally with a velocity of 50 meter per second. The plate is moving with a velocity of 6 meter per second in the direction of jet and away from the jet. Find the force exerted by the jet on the plate. Second, the work done by the jet on the plate per second. Third, power of the jet. And the fourth, efficiency of the jet. So, we will write the given data. Diameter is equal to 10 centimeter. We convert it into meter. That is 0.1 meter. Area, we know the equation. Pi by 4 d square. We substitute the value of d. And therefore, we got the area is equal to 7.853 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter square. So, we write v and u as 50 meter per second and 6 meter per second. So, our first question is the force exerted by the jet on the plate. So, we know the equation force, that is density into area into V minus U the whole square. So, we substitute all the values, density value 1000 into area 7.853 into 10 raised to minus 3 into V minus U 50 minus 6 the whole square. So we get the answer of force exerted by the jet on the plate, that is 636.093 Newton. Okay. Second question is work done by the jet on the plate per second. We know work done is equal to Fx into U. So we write 636.093 into U, the value, and we get it as 3816.558 meter per second. The third question is power of the jet. So the formula for power is equal to work done per second by 1000 is equal to 3816.558 by 1000. So we get it as 3.817 kilowatt. Okay. The fourth, we have to find the efficiency of the jet. We know the equation of efficiency. So is equal to work done by kinetic energy. That is, kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. So it is written as 3816.558 by half into density into area into v cube. Okay. So we get the final answer as 28.8%. Okay. So thus I conclude my part. Thank you and have a nice day.